What is going on, guys? Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. It's been crazy lately. As you can see, something might look a little different in this video. I actually bought a house. It's got a shop with it. It's got a 30 by 40 shop. It's already got a few things in it that I'll show you here in a second. But I'm gonna do a whole garage build video. So if you guys are into that, be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along. So this is the shop as it is now. It's a complete mess. I've just moved everything in, put it all in a pile, but here it is. So we actually have a 2-car door here. Got a single car door. Of course, you got the Shelby in here. So a lot of this has already been insulated. As you can tell, some of it hasn't. This whole wall has. The back wall has not. But the big news, we have got a 9,000 pound rotary lift in here. So that's gonna be awesome for those projects. I don't have to work in that little 1-car garage anymore. So once again, most of this wall is insulated. We got lots of outlets. We've got a couple 220 plugs for welders, compressors, whatever we need. We've got man door here. So the plan is we're gonna come through here, finish all this insulation. I need to tuck all these wires, make them look a little better before we do that. Gonna build, I'm thinking a workbench over in this corner. So thinking just kind of making it a corner bench. So along this wall, I'm gonna have an 8-foot long bench. Or no, this side I think I'm gonna do a 6-foot on this wall. Come to the corner, make the corner, come over 8 foot along here. So that's gonna come all the way over to about this 220 plug. Be able to mount my vise on there. We got some shelving coming in. Actually picked up this cabinet off Facebook Marketplace. Be able to store oil, anything like that. We've already got the insulation. The lift's fully functional. We've actually got really good lighting in here as well already. So it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna get everything all set up. Walk you guys through that whole process. Probably a lot of it's gonna be some time lapse when it comes to, putting up that insulation, tucking the wires, doing some sheetrock in here as the end goal. Eventually too, we want to insulate the ceiling of this, put sheetrock up, get a heater in here. Really got to get it insulated and all that kind of stuff before we even think about doing a heater though. So I'm really excited. Probably going to jump in on this video and you'll see we're going to move a couple of these electrical boxes because we want them to be where we need them to be for this bench. So this video is probably just going to be moving those boxes, throwing up some insulation. We may throw up a few pieces of sheetrock before we build this bench. That way we don't have to sheetrock around it later on. So probably just do some sheetrock over in this corner, get that bench built, and just do a whole series. So once again, if you guys are into that, sure to hit that subscribe button. So that little short clip you just saw was about a full day's worth of work, but I'll go ahead and walk around, show you exactly what we did. So, pretty much got that whole wall, all the insulation done, put in. Still got a little work to do over there. But what we also did is, this is, like I said before, where the bench is gonna go. So, made sure that our bench is gonna fall underneath this outlet. Then we came over here and actually raised these two outlets so they will be above the bench. Make it a little handy to put chargers and anything that you need power right on the bench with. Once again, did all this insulation. We tucked these wires up here. Still doesn't look really pretty, but eventually there's going to be sheetrock. You're not going to see those at all, so at least they're not draping down. One cool thing about this shop is it actually is framed in here on this back wall for another garage door. It's not really in my plans as of now, but maybe someday if I want to have a drive-through. Next thing on the list is to go through and tidy up all these wires, get them all pinned, go ahead and finish a little bit of insulation that we need to do along this wall. And then we will come back here, a few spots that are still left to insulate back here, a little bit above the door. So I think we're gonna do all that next video. Once again, if there's any ideas you guys have, drop them in the comments below, and catch you next time.